Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Deadly cancer risk could drop with single 10-minute workout. Study suggests a single 10-minute workout may trigger blood changes that help fight colon cancer, according to new research from scientists at Newcastle University. The researchers found that exercise quickly changes the blood in ways that affect colon cancer cells, including faster DNA damage repair and gene activity patterns linked to slower growth. The blood samples came from 30 adults who had just completed a short, high-intensity cycling workout lasting about 10 to 12 minutes. The findings suggest that even brief activity can make a difference, and that exercise-triggered molecules released into the bloodstream act as chemical messengers to support health and resilience to diseases like cancer. The researchers cautioned that the study was conducted using cancer cells grown in the laboratory, not in patients, and more research is needed to replicate the findings in people with cancer. However, the researchers said the findings strengthen the case for exercise as an important part of colon cancer prevention. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak